Firehouse subs. This might actually be the place that I think is better than Subway. A lot of y'all like to get Subway crap. Nobody got the herbs and cheese bread like Subway, okay? They got basic bitch ass bread. But this place, Firehouse Subs, had a really dope menu. I'll show you what I got. So first up, I got the spicy chicken Cajun sandwich. So it looks like it comes with jalapenos, onions, chicken with some Cajun sauce, some type of sauce on there. Okay. And I got a meatball sub. Oh my God, this smells delightful. This smells delightful. This about to be good. Now these are medium subs. They ran me $10 each. Grand total of $20. You don't have to get it, but this meatball sub. I don't know if Subway I think Subway do got meatballs, but I only get turkey sandwiches from Subway. And they Phillies is pretty good. You got to get extra cheese. But anyway, this is the Firehouse sub meatball. I had to drive out of my way to get this because there wasn't none in my area. But man, this might be the best one yet. This is the best. Fuck Jersey Mike's, Jimmy John's, Tubby's, Firehouse subs. Fire, pun intended. Fire. Well-seasoned marinara sauce. Meatball is cooked and seasoned. Now for the Cajun chicken. This bun isn't, oh, it is toasted. Never mind. It's toasted with some sauce, jalapenos. I'm not really a fan of what the chicken looks like. That actually looks kind of raw. That looks raw. Like, I want you to be like clear enough to see it. You see how shit looks raw? No, okay, wait, false alarm. False alarm. That's actually the cheese. You was doing good for a minute, Firehouse. I was about to say shit. All right. So let's get this a shot.